Okay guys, today's video we're going to cover the Ztylus Revolver M series 6-in-1. Basically this comes with a case for my phone. Mine's for the iPhone 8, and this is magnetized, so you put it on the back of the case and then you can choose between which lens you want to use. So here we have macro and super macro. It's got a nice little pinch here, so you can get your finger in there, pull it out, and then when it's on the case, basically, it'll flip up and go to the lenses on your camera and enhance it. So it's kind of a nice, cheaper way to have extra camera lenses. Here's fisheye telephoto, like fisheye back in the skateboarding days. You got fisheye, as you can tell. What else we got? We got wide angle and telephoto. This one's super useful, especially when you're outdoors and things. You want to get really good photos that your phone's only going to take about this much, but with this, when you add this, it's going to extend it. Even if you're doing videos or anything like that, you can use these lenses. But you got wide angle, telephoto, fisheye telephoto, macro, super macro.